A very good afternoon, dear children. Today, we are going to study some features of MS Word. It's very easy and interesting. So, let's begin with the page orientation. You know, how will you change the orientation? I'll show you that. Okay. First, you have to go to this page layout option. Can you see this? You have to left click page layout. Okay, so which tab? It's not home tab, it's not insert tab, it's page layout. Here you can see the orientation, so left click on the orientation. Can you see this? Here two layouts, you can see two orientations. One is portrait and another one is landscape. I'll show you. Now it's on the portrait landscape. Can you see this? Okay, so this is the landscape orientation. I'll show you. Can you see this? So this is the landscape orientation. You maybe see such notices in the landscape orientation. Okay, so let's change into portrait. Okay, left click. This is portrait orientation, and then another one is landscape orientation. Okay, so these are the two types of orientation. The next, let's change again into portrait. The next, how will you change the color? How will you change the color of the page? Okay, so let's do that. In the same tab, which is that page layout, you can see the page color. Can you see this? Okay, you can click the page color. You can select the color from here. Which one? Yeah, okay, just click it. Okay, so this is the way of changing the page color. Same way we can change this into white color. It's enough. Now we need white color. Okay, then we can give page border. This is the way. Page border, I will show you. Let me change it. Page border. Can you see this page border? Left click. So there are a lot of different kinds of page borders. You can see it's none. It means now it's in the none setting. Then here it is box. I click the box, and here you can see the different thickness. I chose this one. Okay. Now you can see the preview here. Then last you have to click at the OK. Can you see this? Now we got the page border. So these all things are present in the page layout tab. Okay. Then another one is watermark. You can see here watermark. Now you can see this is a blank page. Okay, so let's give a watermark here. Why we are using watermark? Yes, we are using watermark for avoiding what? For avoiding the taking copies. Like we will give a do not copy watermark in some official documents. Okay, so let's check it how we want to do. Here you can see one down arrow watermark, so you have to click it, and there are different options here. So this is do not copy, so you want to click it. Okay, otherwise you just come here, custom watermark. Okay, custom watermark, just click here. Now you get in a box. Here you can see, you can give a picture or something. Then here the text is do not copy, otherwise we can give algebra. Okay, let's check it. Here we want to give the algebra. This capital letter, let's give algebra, algebra global school, algebra global school, and we can choose a color from here, down arrow, click a color and choose a color. Which one? Let's choose this color, right? Okay, then let's apply them. Can you see this? This is the watermark. Okay, this is now we are giving custom watermark. Okay, and here also you can see. Can you see this? This is the method of giving watermark. I hope you understood. If you don't want the watermark, just go and click that down arrow, and here you can see the remove watermark. I click it. So there is no watermark now. I hope you understood. Okay, then next let's study how to give the page number. For that, we have to go to the insert tab. Can you see this? So click the insert, then just check here, check here, check here, check here, check here. Yes, page number. Can you see this? Click it. Here a lot of options, top of the page, bottom of the page, page margin. Okay, where we want to give the page number that they are asking. Top of the page, bottom of the page. Normally we will give the bottom of the page, so let's click it. Then different options are there. Is it at left corner, center, right corner? Okay, so I choose this one. Can you say this? Yeah. Now it's the page number. Okay. I hope you understood. Now you can see some header and footer area. Okay, so header or footer means it's a text or image that we can place at the top or bottom. Okay, header means we can provide at the top. This is the text provide at the top, and you can see one footer. It's the text we can give at the bottom. Text means something we can write here. For example, we can give yes, I think it's a which one? It's a certificate of algebra, right? So we can type algebra global score, like that. We can give algebra global score. Sorry. Okay, we can give like that. And footer means we can give something here also, right? Park card. Okay. So in each page we can see it will come in each page. You maybe see like this. Okay, let's give a save. Where we want to save it? Where is? I can save in. Yes, save. Look at the third one. 7xy. Okay, so this is the header and footer. When you double click, you can see the header and footer is here. You can see the footer here. You can see the header here. Okay, this is header and this is Parkad. It's footer and page number also there. I hope you understood.